How to fix a missing network adapter on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to get your network adapter showing up and working properly again. First, right-click on the Start button and click on Device Manager. From there, click on View at the top and select Show Hidden Devices. At this point, expand the network adapter section and check if your adapter appears there, even if grayed out. From there, if it shows up grayed out, right-click on it and click on Enable Device. After that, check if your network adapter is now detected and working. In the next step, if the adapter is not listed at all, click on Action at the top and select Scan for hardware changes. From there, wait for Windows to scan and check if the missing adapter now appears in the list. Once done, if it still does not show up, right-click on your PC name at the top of Device Manager and click on Add Legacy Hardware. Following this, follow the on-screen prompts and let Windows search for and install any missing hardware, including your network adapter. From here, if the adapter appears with a yellow warning icon, right-click on it and click on Update Driver. At this stage, click on Search Automatically for drivers and let Windows install the correct driver. After this, if Windows cannot find a driver automatically, open your browser on another device and download the correct driver from your laptop manufacturer's website, then transfer it over using a USB drive. Keep in mind, if your network adapter still does not appear after trying all of the above, it could indicate a hardware failure, especially if the device was working fine before and suddenly disappeared without any software changes. Finally, restart your PC and check Device Manager once more to confirm your network adapter is showing up and connected properly. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix a missing network adapter on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.